Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to help yourself if your Crunchyroll website is not working properly on your computer. So if you're trying different web browsers and you're still coming across this issue, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure that you are connected to the internet. So go to a different website, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Something else you could try here as well, if you have an ad blocker installed on your web browser, you want to go underneath extensions and then look into actually going underneath more actions and then actually turning it off for a particular website, making an exclusion under here for a certain website that you do not want it to run on. So there could be an issue with your ad blocker, basically is what I'm trying to say. Something else we can also try would be to clear our web browser's cache. So if we went to our menu icon up at the top right, and then you selected settings, if you search the settings field and you type in browsing data, and there should be a clear browsing data now option. So choose what to clear, select all time, and make sure cached images and files is selected here. It's probably the most pertinent one, as well as the cookies and other site data. Please keep in mind if you have different passwords on sites, you may be signed out. You'll have to sign back in once you clear out these settings. So go ahead and select clear now. And then once you're done, you should restart your web browser. And then again, hopefully that should have resolved the problem. There's also a chance there's an issue with the Crunchyroll servers and they're just temporarily down for maintenance, or there might be some technical glitch going on in the background, in which case I'd recommend just giving it some time, come back later in the day, try an hour later perhaps, and see if the issue resolves itself, which it often does if it's an issue with one particular website. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.